Abadlali beqonga bawuvalelwa umsitho uthatha iintsuku ezili-11 ngomboniso ekuthiwa ngumbhobho obalisa nokwakhalimela intlungu yokuxhatshazwa ngokwesondo.
You're too young to consent. Consent? What's to consent? It means you're too young to say yes to such a thing.
Umbali Mkhabela odlala indawo kaTsepiso olixhoba lokudlwengulwa ucacisa ngengxaki uTsepiso azibone ekuyo.
She was groomed into a relationship, no Mr. Ntleki, and then finds herself having to sleep with her teacher. Basically, Utepiso is raped, but does not comprehend the fact that she's been raped because she's been groomed into believing that no, Mr. Ntleki loves me, Mr. Ntleki provides for me, but that doesn't give him the right to sexually violate her.
Lo mdlali weqonga uthi kudlala indawo kaTsepiso kulo mdlalo akukhange kube lula.
Playing Utepiso demanded a lot of emotion, physical strength, as well as mental strength. Reason being that you have to step into someone's shoes. This is someone's voice. This is someone's story.
Umbhali kwanomlawulo walo mboniso uSiphosethu Mankayi uthi bafuna ukuvusa izazela zabantu bekwabacenga ukuba baphakame baxhasa amaxhoba odlwengulo ndaweni yokwagxeka kumakhasi onxibelelwano.
We have a scene whereby we try to show the role that social media and the society at large plays, which is blaming the victim all the time without having to understand what was the story behind for the victim to get into this situation, and also not like them blaming the victim and not blaming actually the person that actually did this, and not blaming the system as well put in place that is also perpetuating these things to happen.
Ukanti abazimasi balomnyhadala wamagcisa bathi bawonwabele ukusuka kwimidlalo yeqonga ukuya kumaqhula.
She always wants to be the captain.
Oh, it's been brilliant. We're locals, and I have to say we've been to quite a few shows, and they've been very, very good. We saw Yassine Barnes 2 days ago, and he was excellent, and we thought no one could top him. And last night we watched Stuart Taylor.
There were some amazing shows, and I think people that didn't come this year would have missed out on those great shows. And I managed to see many comedy shows and also watch the ballet Salt. That was brilliant, and I just think coming to us for 150 Rand, where you go and see it in Cape Town for much more, I think it's such a benefit for our town.
Lo mnyhadala uza kuphinda ubanjelwe kule dolophu kwakhona kunyaka ozayo. Ndinguyamkela Mchiyo weendaba ze-MPK eMakhanda.